Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing good. Since Eid is around the corner, I thought I'll create this makeup look and film a tutorial for you guys. For the eyes, I've gone for neutral shades so that you can carry this look with any outfit. If you want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. I'll be moisturizing my face using the Nivea Light Moisturizer. I'm going to be starting with my eye makeup first so that I can clean out the fallouts later. And I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro palette. Concealing my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25. Setting it with the Color Essence Setting Powder in the shade CP1. I'm using the shade called Relentless for the transition color. Next, I'm taking the shade Lust for the outer corner. You can build it up as much as you like, it depends on how dark you want it. Now take a blending brush and smoothen out any harsh edges. For my lids, I'm going in with the shade called Breaking Point. This one. For the center of my lids, I'm going in with the shade called Fearless, just for the pop of color, right in the middle. Dabbing off any excess glitter. For eyeliner, I'm using the Colourpop Ultimate Eyeliner. I'm going to clean out the fallouts using my moisturizer and a cotton pad. I'll be using two primers today. One is the L'Oreal Base Magic. This is a mattifying primer, so I'll use it on my T-zones. And the rest of my face is quite dry, so I'll be using a hydrating primer, and I'm using the Kryolan Ultra Underbase. As you can see, this primer really makes your skin glowy and hydrated. For foundation, I'll be mixing two shades of MAC. One is the NC20 and the other is NC35. Blending it all out with a damp beauty blender. I'm concealing my eye using the Kryolan concealer in the shade D5. drag it down a little so that it blends into your foundation. Now setting my face with the Color Essence Compact Powder in the shade CP1. For the lower lash line, I'm using the same dark brown that I used on the outer corner. I'll be using the Faces Canada Kajal. I'll be using the Faces Canada Kajal. I'm going to fill in my brows using the shade Influence. Contouring my face using the L'Oreal Paris Contour Palette. For blush, I'll be using the Maybelline Master Blush. And I'm going in for the peach color. Using the MAC highlighter in the shade A36. For lipstick, I'll be using two shades. MAC in the shade A46. And to tone it down a bit, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Pro Matte Gloss in the shade 318. To complete the look, I'll be applying false eyelashes today, but if it is too much for you and if you don't want to do that, you can just curl your lashes and apply a mascara and you're good to go. Okay, so I applied my false eyelashes, finishing off this look with the Faces Canada Makeup Fixer. So this is my final look, guys. Hope you liked it. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next vlog.